Assets versus liabilities. What are they, and why is it important to know the difference? Assets are things that you own that put money in your pocket or grow in value over time, like cash, stocks, or even a house that increases in value. Liabilities are the opposite. They take money out of your pocket. Think loans, credit card debt, or a car that loses value the moment you buy it. The big difference: assets build your wealth, liabilities cost you money. The more assets you have compared to liabilities, the stronger your financial position. Let's take an example. A rental property can be an asset if it earns you income every month. However, a liability could be something like taking out a huge car loan for a luxury car, because that liability is draining your cash. Aim to grow your assets and limit your liabilities.